Hi there, students. Insular, an adjective. Insularly, an adverb. Okay, if you call somebody insular, you're saying they're very narrow-minded. They're very parochial. They're very provincial. They don't want to meet new people. They don't want to consider new ideas. So there's this very clear stereotype of the insular British who only think about British affairs and they don't look outside their island. So notice insular also can mean an adjective of an island. The insular population, the population of the island, but that's much rarer. Insular, somebody who is narrow-minded. You need to break out of your insular attitude. You need to think in a less insular way. Yeah, you need to have a less narrow-minded provincial viewpoint. Okay. The people in this region are very insular. They only look inward. They're uninterested about other cultures, about other ideas, about things outside their own experience. So yeah, they're an insular group of people. They don't really have any contact with the outside. Okay, the British act so insularly, yeah, it's all right, in such an insular way, that this is something that needs to change. Yeah, the British are so insular about languages. Everybody has to speak English. There's no reason why we should speak another language. Come on. Okay, so insular, only interested in your own country, in your own group, not willing to accept foreign ideas or foreign things. Yeah, literally belonging to an island. And like John Donne says, no man is an island. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, his insular personality. Yeah. His insular way of acting. Very inward looking, very standoffish, very withdrawn. He's very insular and he's not very friendly with people who are not part of his social group. He doesn't want to look out or consider anything outside this group. Okay, insular. This is a good word. It's a good adjective. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think informally narrow-minded, small-minded. Use insular in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or a very formal writing. Sounds a little bit literary. It's a great word to describe a person. Yeah, I would describe his character as very insular. And he doesn't want to think about things that are not within his own immediate circle of life. Okay, so it's like a metaphor for living on an island, but you live on your own island. You have a very detached outlook, very narrow outlook, very narrow experience, and you don't want to travel. Yeah, travel is one of the things that stops people from being insular. Yeah, it reduces their insularity. There you go, a noun. Okay, as to origin, this word comes from Latin insularis, belonging to an island, from insula, an island. So that's easy. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Insular.